Welcome to the JWK show. We talk about crypto and we keep things short and concise. The Discord has officially been launched. You guys can check it out, talk with me, talk with the community, talk about XRP, all sorts of cryptocurrencies, life, and so on. So definitely check it out. The link is in the description below. As of now, we have 56 members, which is great to see. And hopefully we can get that up to 100 members. Now, we have a big question among the XRP community, especially since we have the launch of the RLUSD, and that is, will we see the stablecoin, the RLUSD, replacing XRP? And we have none other than David Schwartz answering this question, and this is his response. Let's take a listen.
So one question that I hear a lot is what the Ripple stablecoin means for XRP, and does this reflect some reduction in our commitment to XRP, or is this a replacement for XRP? And I think obviously the answer to that is no. I mean, we want there to be more credible assets on the DEX. We want trading volume. We think that that XRP has a unique role on the DEX as a bridge asset, features like auto bridging, and we think that more volume on the XRP ledger is a good thing, both for XRP and for the ecosystem.
Right. So straight from the CTO of Ripple, from David Schwartz, confirming that the RLUSD won't replace XRP, so there is nothing to worry about, as we have XRP acting as the gas token for the XRP ledger, and XRP connecting all of the assets together, including the RLUSD, all of the currencies, commodities, and so on. So XRP is still very much needed. And in fact, we have XRP and the RLUSD working together. And whenever the stablecoin is used, XRP is used as well. So for example, let's say we have a bank in country A wanting to send money to country B. This is how the process works with XRP and the RLUSD. We have the bank in country A converting its fiat into the RLUSD, and then the RLUSD is converted to XRP for fast global transfer. And then once the transfer is sent, we have XRP converting back to the RLUSD or local fiat in country B. So again, whenever the RLUSD is used and transacted, we have XRP being used as well as the intermediary settlement layer, as the bridge currency, as the settlement asset. So this means more activity on top of the XRP ledger. And so the more value, the more money, the more RLUSD in circulation, the higher the price of XRP, as we have more money on top of the XRP ledger. So the stablecoin isn't a bad thing at all. In fact, it is extremely bullish for the price of XRP. Now we have more reasons why the RLUSD won't replace XRP as a global bridge asset, as a global bridge currency, because first off, we literally have XRP acting as the bridge currency, as the settlement currency, the settlement layer for the RLUSD. We have the RLUSD literally using XRP, and XRP is decentralized and trustless with no issuer. It's jurisdictionless and can't be frozen, and it is the native currency on the XRP ledger. So the XRP ledger can't run without XRP. XRP is needed, and we have the RLUSD on top of the XRP ledger. And the stablecoin is also issued by Ripple, and by holding the RLUSD, you're placing your trust on Ripple. And keep in mind, just like Circle and Tether, Ripple can also freeze your RLUSD. So it is centralized while XRP is decentralized, and this means that no one can freeze or touch your XRP. So keep that in mind as well. Now we have the digital perspectives talking about the stablecoin as well, and he says that the RLUSD won't depeg due to Ripple's enormous financial position with a balance sheet of $20 to $30 billion. So with so much money backing the RLUSD, we won't see any depegs happening, unlike what we saw with Tether and Circle, which makes the RLUSD the biggest stablecoin in the market and the safest to use as well. And we have Ripple managing its RLUSD reserves through standard custody, and these guys are a Ripple partner. These guys are a digital asset custody company. And we have Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse talking about Tether USDT, which is the second biggest competitor to the RLUSD, and Brad Garlinghouse says Tether might continue to grow, but I doubt it'll have the same market share in 2 years, right? We will see the market cap of Tether USDT shrinking as Tether is not compliant with regulations, and eventually we will see less and less people using it as we have exchanges delisting USDT, which means that we will see the RLUSD taking more of the market share. And we have perfect timing as we have Coinbase delisting USDT on the 13th, this Friday, Friday the 13th in Europe, while we have the RLUSD launching any moment from now on. So as we said, guys, this is pre-planned and literally perfectly timed. And lastly, we have early XRP investor Crypto Bitlord talking about the RLUSD as well. And he says when there is 1 trillion of RLUSD, it'll need to be backed by $1 trillion worth of XRP. And XRP is only at $120 billion. So if we see 1 trillion of RLUSD in circulation, we will see a $1 trillion market cap coming in for XRP, which means that with the RLUSD, we could see a 10x happening to the price of XRP, XRP hitting $20, XRP hitting double digits. So as we've been saying, the stablecoin is extremely bullish for the price of XRP. That's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.